So welcome to Dynamic Foundry Group. I am Sandeep Kulkarni. Welcome you to this small video on ingot shrinkage and its internal shrinkage defect and its action plan. The biggest challenge in foundry is to reduce the defects and rejections. In the defect and rejections also, shrinkage defect is a major contributing defect. So any immediate action plan on this will help foundrymen to get some relief from their daily problems. Considering the same, I am making this small video on first-hand action on shrinkage defect. Shrinkage may be on the surface or inside the casting, which we can able to see after the machining, or we can able to know it in section cutting or during radiography inspection. There are different actions for each of them, but understanding the shrinkage severity is most important point here. Thumb rule: shrinkage in neck, then reduce neck area. So any shrinkage at neck, then reduce neck area. Shrinkage inside the casting, away from the neck, then increase neck area. So shrinkage is inside the casting, away from neck area, then you have to increase neck area. Let us see both points one by one. Shrinkage available in neck area. I have shown here one photograph for your ready reference. Shrinkage available in neck area. If the shrinkage is observed at neck area in or at ingot location, then it is nothing but reverse feeding. It means neck size is too large that the metal is taken from the casting back to the riser area. So it is called as reverse feeding. Here we need to reduce the height of ingot to reduce neck area. So we have to reduce the height of ingot to reduce neck area. However, if you want to maintain some volume of the ingot, same volume of the ingot and also reduce ingot shrinkage, then so that your feeding will be proper, then you can reduce the height of the ingot and increase the width of the ingot to keep same volume, so that the volume remains same and you will get enough feeding, but you will reduce the ingot shrinkage by reducing the height of the ingot. So this is for ingot available or shrinkage available in neck area. Now we go to internal shrinkage, that is shrinkage away from neck area. Some of the photographs I have shown here for your ready reference. It means there is less feeding available in that area. So if the shrinkage is inside the casting section away from neck area, it definitely means that the feeding is less. You need more feeding to reduce that voids or cavities of shrinkage inside the casting. Hence, need to provide additional feeding metal in that area. This problem cannot seen in ASCA section by naked eyes, but it is visible after the machining or after the sectioning of the casting or in the radiography. So you cannot see it by naked eyes, but you can able to view it after the machining or after cut section or after radiography inspection. Here, one has to ensure the severity of the defect before taking next action. In this case, we may also have to provide hot metal by way of additional ingot or by increasing the height of the existing ingot. In case of this inside shrinkage tendency, your existing ingot is getting freeze early, not allowing to get enough metal for that section to get feed. So you have to increase the height of the ingot so that your ingot will not get freeze early and it will provide the necessary metal feeding to that section. So one has to increase the ingot height so that it will remain more time hot and provides the necessary metal to that section for feeding. Sometimes we may also have to increase the pouring temperature or C value to overcome this shrinkage defect as well. Also, in some cases, you may have to work on the directional solidification by providing external chills, tensioner, or by applying terrulium paste. So this will help you to start the solidification from the heavy section, and then it will give you better results in reducing the shrinkage tendency when the shrinkage is away from the neck area. So if you observe shrinkage defect at in-gate location, primary immediate remedy is to modify the in-gate height depending on the shrinkage location with respect to in-gate or with respect to neck. This will solve your shrinkage defect issue at least 50% of the time just by applying this simple theory. So, by applying these couple of theories of reducing or increasing the neck area, you can able to solve this shrinkage defect almost 50% of the time whenever you are facing this issue, and definitely to help you in coming out of this problem situation by applying this simple theory. So this is from my side. Thank you very much for your patient hearing. Thank you.